Alright, folks, here comes Amtrak. Capital Corridor 532 to Sacramento now arriving. This could be 6964 Port Arena or 6961 Port Aguila. Okay, this one is 6961 Port Aguila. Lead it off. Amtrak 532 to Sacramento is now boarding on track number 2. Or track number 1. I'll call it track number 1. Alright, folks. Amtrak 532 Capital Corridor train now departed Berkeley Station. 6961 Port Aguila leads off. The CAD car, Surfliner CAD car. That's an F59 PHI. F59 PHI 2010. And there she goes, folks. Sacramento bound. Next stop for that train is Richmond, Martinez, Fairfield, Sasu, Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, and Sacramento. It's the final stop for that route for that Capital Corridor train. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.